on the ghost train. Around here, long ago, ran a train, eyes white as snow, called the White Train. A rich man's abode on the New York and New England road. Ghost train, ghost road, drivers rolling heavy load. Better get aboard if you're gonna ride that ghost train. New York and Boston, each day at 3, through the twilight, so eerily, like a ghost, flying near the ground. The whistle moans in every town. Ghost train, ghost road, drivers rolling heavy load. Better get aboard if you're gonna ride that ghost train. Better get aboard if you're gonna ride that ghost train. Well, the medic 532 cut in the diner and changed the crew. Pipes were lifting, a good fire laid, or else she'll stall on Hampton Grade. Ghost train, ghost road, drivers rolling heavy load. Better get aboard if you're gonna ride that ghost train. Better get aboard if you're gonna ride that ghost train. Pulls in the station each night at 9. 6 hours advertised, always on time. Train is gone now and won't be back. They scrapped the cars, tore up the track. Ghost train, ghost road, drivers rolling heavy load. Better get aboard if you're gonna ride that ghost train. Better get aboard if you're gonna ride that ghost train. Better get aboard if you're gonna ride. Better get aboard if you're gonna ride. Better get aboard if you're gonna ride that ghost train.